So what's up YouTube, I'm back with another video, so let's go. Chat, I have a big problem, I don't know how to fix that. We are currently sitting at 0 subscribers for the past month. I know I'm not posting a lot of videos, and I got another problem. I want to game on my phone, but my phone is not good, bro. So, and I'm cooked as well, and anything, you guys are just swiping on my YouTube shorts. I don't know what to do. I'm not getting views, bro. Everybody's swiping on my shorts. So yeah, I'm cooked, and I don't know what to say. It's literally, it's like day 40. Time to get out of here. Look at this thing. This is not even a house. So yeah, I'm struggling. I need to get out of here, bro. So chat, like and subscribe.